How to download and install Nvidia drivers for Windows 11. Now, installing and updating your Windows drivers for Nvidia on your Windows 11 is very easy. All I have to do at first is open up your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, head straight into Nvidia.com's official website, which is going to be here. Now, once you're here, all I have to do is to head straight into drivers. Now, once you're on drivers, you will set or you'll have two options here to download automatic driver updates and then to do manual driver search. Now, if you would like to download the automatic driver updates, just simply download it and install it, and it will automatically update all your drivers for your Windows 11. However, if you would like to do manual driver search, for you to obtain your product type, just go into the Windows icon and type in System Information. Then here at your left portion, just go into Components, then go to Display. So this is where all your product types, series on your graphics cards will show up. Just go into the name of your graphics card, copy it, and then paste all of these information from here, and then go to Start Search. And that's it. That's how you download and install NVIDIA drivers for Windows 11.